Okay, all right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Monday noun. So, friend. Friend. Someone you like to spend time with and you trust. You trust. Yeah, friend here, friend there, friend here. Yes, let's move that a little bit. Yeah, so friend. I have a good friend from India. Yes. I have a friend from Hong Kong. Yeah. Another friend of mine now lives in China. A friend. Friend. Yeah. I have friends all over the world. Yes. I met most of my friends at university. Yes, so look. So friend, one friend, singular. Friend one, singular. And friends with an S, 2 plus. Friends. Yeah. So I have friends. Oh, let's change that. I have friends all over the UK too. Yeah. Yeah. London, Birmingham, Banbury, Manchester, Scotland and beyond. How cool is that? So it is good. It's good to have friends in life. Very useful. Yeah. So he talked with his friends. He talked with his friends. Nice. I spoke with my friends yesterday. Yeah, it was quite important. Yeah. You're looking for friends. Are you looking for more friends? Are you looking for more friends? Maybe, yeah. They're trying to make new friends. They're trying to make new friends. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. She will make friends easily. Yeah. He can talk and make friends with people easily. He always does. He always does. He always does. Yeah, simple as that. How cool is that? So, making friends is quite important. How cool is that? Yeah. So, friends, people that you like to spend time with and that you trust. Spend time with them. So, I have gone to Spain with my friends. Yeah. We've travelled around South Spain together. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, Spain. Yeah. So, friend and friends. Okay. So can you write a sentence with friends in it? Yeah. Write it in the comments below. How cool is that? And subscribe to the channel. There's more videos on the way. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. What's going on here? English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy. So Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Adrian Nanchev on Udemy, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.